Today we're diving into a fun and textured border pattern that's perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your projects. Now I've attached my fabric to the hoop stand. This makes stitching so much easier because it keeps my hands free and prevents the fabric from wobbling around. I'm using 4 strands of light green floss for the blanket stitch and knots, so I'll be removing 2 strands from the skein. To do this, I gently pull the skein apart and carefully slide out 2 strands. This will give our stitches a slightly finer look. I'm going to stitch 3 blanket stitches in a row. Then I'll add a knot by wrapping the floss around my needle 5 or 6 times. Gently pull the thread through all those wraps to create a lovely textured knot. I'll stitch 3 more blanket stitches followed by another knot. This creates a beautiful repeating pattern of stitches and knots. Want to learn embroidery? My complete beginner to pro course is now on Udemy. 20 essential stitches, fun projects, and assignments to boost your skills. Check the link in the description for a special discount. Now I'm rotating my hoop 180 degrees to stitch the second line of our border pattern. I'm leaving a gap of about 4 to 5 millimeters between the first and second lines. This creates a nice open space for our next stitch. To fill the gap between the lines, I'm using a chain stitch with the darker green floss. I love how the combination of blanket stitch, French knots, and chain stitch creates such a unique and eye-catching design. This border is perfect for adding a touch of handmade charm to all sorts of projects. Imagine it adorning the edges of a pillowcase, the hem of a skirt, or even the neckline of a dress. It's a versatile stitch that can be used on a variety of garments and fabrics.